important siya itong ito. Kasi isa rin pamahagi in selecting a subject to an art to promoting this one, right?
Wee! Ano si Barney, sir? Sunod na sa nasa.
Humanity. Mention tayo humanity, religion, appeal, literature, ethics, living, political, literature, so, part of your explanation on your drawings of the ways in taking a subject is you relate it to humanities. Humanities study man of persons, attitudes, values, way of living, way they dress, so could be part of your explanation sa inyong assignment kanina. So when you research, ang ita ko ni ang pili mo kamay start around humanity. Okay? Questions? No question. Are you ready for the quiz? So Friday, okay. Friday we go to the elements and principle of arts. Life. So by Friday, ruler, pencil, and of course a pencil. A4 the back colors, lines, again, pencil, ruler, A4 the back.
This Friday po.
Sharpener.
Wala Friday. Pero?
Because we touch now on the elements of arts. And to start with lines. What are the types of lines?
Oh.
Horizontal.
Dili mag-drawing.